Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning as well as decorating for Valentine's Day. I am just showing you all of these Mrs. Meyer's products as well as this Grove Collaborative CADDY and these walnut scrubbers. I have a link for you to get all of this for free in the description box. And I'm just diffusing some lavender essential oils to go with the lavender theme as well. So first I'm basically just showing you what a hot mess my house is. We hosted Christmas and then I had been sick ever since, so I have a lot to catch up on, and this should really give you some good motivation.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.
I'm starting off in the kitchen, the heart of the home, because that's where I like to start my cleaning always. I'm just starting off by basically putting everything away where it belongs.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still.
Now I'm just going to get started on the dishes, and you can see my little sweetheart in the background eating his cookies while I do this.
The person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Next, I'm using my all-time favorite scent, the Method All-Purpose Grapefruit Spray, and I'm just going to spray down everything in the kitchen. I get a ton of questions on my Young Living essential oils, so always feel free to leave a comment below with any questions you have. I do have links in the description boxes, and you can always email me if you're interested in getting started with Young Living. Next, I'm using my Method glass surface spray, and I'm going to be wiping down the windows and then hanging up some more Valentine's decor.
I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
Next, we're moving into our front room, and my little Carter is just going to help me pick up the huge mess that he made.
I wanna live right now, I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you, it's all I believe in, I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No, who am I to let you down? Down, if you let me walk away.
Now we are heading into the living room, and I'm just picking up the toys myself because Carter went down for a nap after he got done helping me with his toys. The amount of toys after Christmas is unreal. I don't know if any of you all can relate, but we have a really big family, so the boys definitely get spoiled and get way too much stuff for Christmas.
Who am I to let you?
The signs that you see here are all from Target Dollar Spot, and the flowers that I'm going to be putting up were actually left over from my sister's bridal shower last May. Again, I'm using my Method glass cleaner, and then I'm going to be hanging up this banner that I got from Target last Valentine's Day.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see.
Next, I'm just going to vacuum while the dogs chase me. Of course, you know they're obsessed with my vacuum.
I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
of course I need to vacuum the couch because I need those beautiful lines. And the pillow that I'm putting down right here, I actually got from Target after Valentine's Day last year for $2. And I love this love pillow. Next, I'm going back into the front room to vacuum. I like to vacuum all at the same time, so that is why I do it this way. Finally, I'm finishing up in the dining room. I'm going to wipe down the table, and I'm going to use the RoboVac in this room because the Dyson had lost its charge.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of...
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to clean and maybe even decorate for Valentine's Day a little early. Also, don't forget to check the description box on how to get all these Mrs. Meyer's products, this walnut scrubber and Grove Collaborative caddy for free. All you have to do is use my link. Also, for any of you that use Young Living essential oils, I would love to know what your favorite blend is since I'm new. So comment below because I'm loving using them and trying new blends. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.